Welcome back to 30 Days to a Bigger You. Yesterday we crushed metabolism myths. Today we answer the number one question after how many calories should I eat, how big should the surplus actually be? Too small and nothing happens. Too big and you become soft and bloated. The answer is surprisingly precise. Here is the hook: if you eat 1,000 calories above maintenance every day, roughly half of your weekly gain will be fat. That is not a failure of willpower. It is a failure of math. Research shows that the slower you gain, the higher the ratio of muscle to fat. A 700-calorie surplus gives you more size, but less of it is the size you want. Funny moment, you know that person who put on 10 pounds in 2 weeks and said, "I think that is all muscle?" It was not all muscle. The problem is that enthusiastic beginners treat their surplus like an all-you-can-eat buffet. 1,000, 1,200, even 1,500 calories above maintenance feels productive because the scale is moving. But the first 5 to 6 pounds of aggressive bulking is predominantly fat and water, not new contractile tissue. The Mayo Clinic 2024 clinical review confirms that 2 to 500 calories above maintenance yields approximately 0.25 to 0.5 kilograms per week of total gain. This rate keeps the muscle-to-fat ratio optimal. The 2025 ISSN and ACSM position stand syntheses further support this modest window. A Frontiers in Nutrition 2026 citation of the Morton et al. Sports Medicine meta-analysis shows that protein supplementation with resistance training increases lean mass even during controlled surpluses. 0.25 kilograms of muscle per week is a realistic beginner target at optimal surplus. That is 1 pound of new tissue every 2 to 3 weeks. It sounds slow on paper, but over 12 weeks you have added 5 to 6 pounds of actual muscle. The scale will move faster than that because of water and glycogen, but real muscle accrual is gradual and achievable. Step 1. Set your target at 3 to 500 calories above your TDE. This number is non-negotiable for most lifters. Step 2. Average your weekly weight and compare. If you are gaining more than 0.7 kilograms per week, your surplus is too large and you are accumulating fat. Step 3. Reduce by 1 to 200 calories and reassess after 1 week. Precision beats aggression every time. The myth is that more is better. A larger surplus means faster, better muscle growth. The truth is that muscle growth rate plateaus at a very modest surplus. A 2024 Mayo Clinic clinical review and a 2025 ISSN synthesis both confirm that beyond the optimal window, extra calories become fat. Aggressive bulking is a shortcut that guarantees you will spend months cutting afterward to clean up what you built too fast. Today we learned that a surplus of 3 to 500 calories is the sweet spot, that 0.25 to 0.5 kilograms per week is the realistic target, and that anything over 0.7 kilograms means you are gaining too much fat. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 6, we answer the most important nutritional question of this entire series.